Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up GoDaddy Payments for credit card processing. So first, you'll need to log into your GoDaddy account. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page and click on your name. From there, head over to the product section. This is where all of your GoDaddy website and services are listed. Next, select the website that you want to work with. After you are inside your site dashboard, go over to the left-hand panel. Here, you'll see a section called Store. Click on that and then choose Store Settings. Here, you'll have access to GoDaddy Commerce. On the left panel, look for GoDaddy Payments and click on it. Now it's time to set things up. You'll need to fill out some important details such as your full name, phone number, email address, date of birth, and your social security number. GoDaddy needs this information to verify your account and make sure you can safely accept credit card payments. Once you've entered everything, just scroll down to the bottom and click the Continue button. That's it. You've now set up GoDaddy Payments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.